Naomi Home presents the Tufted split-back futon sofa bed. This futon combines style and practicality with its mid-century modern squared tufted design. And yes, it can turn into a twin-size bed thanks to its click-clack multifunction features. You can easily switch from sitting to sleeping in seconds. Functional, but it's also easy to assemble. You get a versatile and practical piece of furniture that's perfect for any space. The Tufted split-back futon comes in both faux leather and linen, in a multitude of colors such as black, cream, gray, and many more. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.